Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Hi Arun, good evening. So what is cloud computing is the on-demand delivery resource including server, storage, networking, database. My question was what is cloud, right? Cloud computing is also fine. What is cloud? Vilas?
Definition of a cloud is
Vilas,
same. Yeah. Hello.
what is cloud? Yeah. What is cloud? Cloud computing is correct. What is cloud?
Yeah, delivery of IT resources over the internet.
Okay. Resources and instance. Okay. Click on type of cloud, public, private. Okay. Third. Can you increase the font size from your size? From
Yeah.
your side?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. So see, whenever you are going to write the difference, please make it write in a tabular format. Okay. Then it will be easy for you to remember. Otherwise, you will feel some boring. You will not able to remember the points. Okay. Now fourth number. Hi Arun. Good evening. Am I audible, Arun?
Yeah, Rohit.
So this is also, please make it in a same thing, but point wise 2 3. I told you, right? 2 3 points for each. Okay.
Yep.
Minimum. If you will see, if you will write here 4 to 5 points, then you are able to remember 3 to 4 points. Okay.
Yeah.
Frankly speaking. So that is what you have to write down. So everything is completed, right? All the questions.
Yes.
Okay, great. Then you could have sent me now directly.
Yeah, I will do that.
Okay. Let me. Arun, have you written?
Yeah, 80% completed. 20% is there because of some. I have to finish stuff. Anyway, I'll share it. No problem.
Yeah, 70% is finished. Fine. At least you should. You have started the work, right? 50% of the job and assignment.
Yeah. Almost
That is
completed.
what. See, again, if today I'm going to start 104, again you are going to ask about age at 900. So that rhythm will be break. So better we have to finish then and there. Okay, what is subnet? Click on question number 20. What you have written? Range of IP address in the VNet. VNet is Azure Net. You can divide. See, at least whenever you are going to write the answer from the Google, you can change the at least language. You can divide or we can divide. Okay.
Yeah.
So these things, just go through whatever you have written. Go through, make it in a tabular form. Okay. And then send me.
Yeah, sure.
Because right now, if I'm going to review, then I will send you, 10 points and all. You have to do this, that. So better you will modify and then send us. And also these languages of V and all. Okay, you can define rules to map inbound connection. We can define.
Yeah.
Okay. Clear. And labs you have already sent. Okay, only.
Yes.
Arun, I'm just going to make you as a presenter.
Yeah.
Okay, so Avilas.
Yeah, Rohit.
Yeah, please send me this. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
and after what the few attempts I have already asked you to modify, right?
Yes, yes,
Like
yes. I will do
differences
that.
you have to
Yeah.
differences
Yeah.
you have to write in a tabular form.
Yes, yes, yes. I will do that.
Arun, you are sharing your screen, right?
Yeah, I shared actually.
It's your right. So what is
Yeah.
cloud? Okay, let me see what is cloud. So cloud is totally unique. It is not Azure or AWS and okay.
Okay.
Okay, so cloud, it includes anything. Yeah, either AWS cloud or either Azure cloud, either GCP cloud. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
let it be. So cloud is a service which we are going to use over the internet. Simple definition. Okay. Azure Cloud Platform is more than 200 products and the cloud services designed to help us. Okay, these things please correct it. Okay. Types of cloud, public, private, and hybrid. Difference between, again, you have written in the same fashion, right? Like tabular form, private, public, and if you could have written like 3 points you have written, right? So these
Yeah.
3 points, if you
Three, four, and okay, advantages of the
go down, hybrid. Okay, advantage of the hybrid. Okay, go down, different types of services. Avilas,
Yes.
send me the document right now.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
right now. Later, you parallelly you can one copy you can put in your local. Parallel you can
Yep.
and send me. At least I will review your.
Okay.
That.
Okay. I will do that.
Okay. So what is upfront cost? Is upfront cost that has a value that reduces over time. Okay. Define the below terminology.
No, I
Okay.
have to do
Below.
it. This one I have to do it actually. So rest of the thing I did it some. I kept it in between. I left it because I want to more concentrate on that one.
Okay. High availability is okay. Okay. So Avilas, you can send me today. I will go through
Yes.
your
Yes.
answer. Meanwhile, Arun,
Yep.
you can send me tomorrow, right? Fine.
Yeah, I'll try to finish it tomorrow.
Okay. Great. So shall we start today?
Yeah.
College at 104.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, great. Show me the screenshot. That
Which one?
this one. Okay. On premises data center SaaS. Okay, great. Yes. This kind of documents and all. If you will go through, how many page how many page document this is?
Almost. I think 64. I think. In between, I had a screenshots. See, like this resource manager explained what is
Yes.
the
Yes.
thing. Azure portal.
Correct.
I think.
Good.
So
Good.
what is? So I had this because it's easy to understand and
Yes,
diagram.
exactly. You will find out the image on Google and you will get.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like resource manager, subnet. So whenever you are going to put the image, please try to put the Azure image, Azure
Yeah,
cloud
yeah.
image.
I'm using Azure only. Actually, from the Microsoft Azure portal only, I'm taking all this
Okay,
information.
great.
So I'm not taking from anywhere. I think. How does this
Oh,
application gateway? What is it?
okay, great. Go down. 64, right?
Which one?
How many page it is? 64, right?
64, I think so.
Also, once you are going to complete, I think it will become 100 page.
No,
But it's showing only 24.
no, I think for
No
me,
issues.
no, sorry, 24 only. 24 only. So
24.
66 questions. 66
This one.
questions, 24.
Okay. Again, you are going to write 10 more pages. You are going to add
Yeah,
high availability, elasticity, agility, all this stuff.
yeah,
There are so many questions you have. So it will
yeah.
become a 50, right? I
Yeah.
thought so many questions you have not done.
This one,
And
Azure
these,
DB service. This is I put it like this. If you want to use this service, so I mentioned this one.
yeah, fine. No issues at all. See, if you are making this better, what I am telling you, this tabular form, try to prepare this table into the Excel and copy paste. Getting my
Okay.
point?
Yeah.
So then it will be easy. Here you are making the table and all, then it will take time unnecessary.
Yeah.
Please type the same thing and copy and paste with
No,
color
I did
and
it.
all.
I did the same thing only. This is a SQL data warehouse. So how it is structured.
Okay, great. Nice. Okay, and you have prepared now. Whenever you are if you are going for interview and now, please go through this, and at least Saturday, Sunday. Okay, go through this at least. If right now today I'm going to start age at 104. Okay, but every Saturday and Sunday, that you could utilize a weekend as a revision day and all.
Yeah,
okay, so that definitely you will you will get a very good job, and everything will be on your tongue. Okay, and if you will go through this document 10 times, you can understand. At least you are able to recall 80%, right? Correct?
Yes.
10 times. I'm just telling you 10 times, just go through. I'm not telling you to remember each and every, just go through.
Okay.
Fantastic. Okay, so this is what is Azure Monitor. Go down. Excellent work, Arun. Okay, so in middle, wait, 54. This. What tool is used to monitor activities of VM? What is your answer?
Azure Monitor.
Azure Log. Activity log. Sorry.
Arun, if you are going to say Azure Monitor, then it's activity log. Answer, write down right now.
Okay.
I have very much faith on you. Okay. Yeah, that's all. So your question is in different color and answer is in different color. Okay, correct. Good job. So tomorrow, please send me your entire, prepare well all the rest of the questions. And I think you have already completed, or any questions? How many questions are pending?
Still, very few are there.
Okay, these things you can today complete and you can send me. Okay, tomorrow.
Yeah,
Tomorrow
because
you can.
because today is my working day. So Friday I worked it. Yesterday I didn't I have some work thing, office work. I was concentrating. That's why.
Okay, so today you can complete, right?
Yeah, today or by tomorrow I'll do it. No problem. It's very
So
less only.
tomorrow. Yeah, only 7 to 8. So after the class also, if you will sit half an hour, it will complete.
Yeah.
What is Azure SLA? They are very easy. Okay. Okay.
And
Great.
mostly I'm taking from the Azure portal documents only.
Yes. Do not take from Google.
Google, yeah. Because that is the
Do
only
not
correct.
take. Yeah. Google is not the correct information. Google is not the correct, any kind of information about the, especially Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud. And do not take. Do not rely on any other website.
Yeah. No. I used to do in AWS also same thing. Because same thing. I never go out of the AWS document because that is the only correct.
Yes, because so many people have already built their website and all, they're explaining the cloud and all, AWS and all. Do not go there, because we don't know whether they have updated the latest version or not, right? There's so many things.
Yeah.
Okay, Vilas, this apply for you also.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, guys. So let's start AZ 104. That is Azure Administrator. Okay.
Okay.
Are you able to view my screen?
Yes.
I have changed the slide look and feel. Okay. Because that was Microsoft content. Okay. Content is same, but only the look and feel. Okay. So today we are going to start AZ 104 Azure Administrator. Okay. So these things no need to discuss. So we have already completed AZ 900, right? And now we are going to study about the Azure Administrator. What do you mean by administrator? Do you have any idea, Avilas? What is the job of administrator? Wait, Arun, I'm not asking you. Avilas? 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 Am I audible, Arun?
Yeah, I'm able to hear. Maybe it's connectivity issue or something.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
Avilas. Yeah, Avilas.
Sorry, power has gone. Yeah. Okay. No issues. Yep.
Okay. I was asking that what is the role and responsibility of administrator?
Azure Administrator or Administrator.
Administrator. Just forget about the Azure administrator. Right?
Okay. He has to take that. The administrator role is manage the. Let's say he become the operations. He become the team. One of the person in the operations team, and he has to manage the entire project, like in a server side, database side. So basic operations he has to manage.
Basics operation, right?
Yep.
You have to manage. Okay. So for clearing the Azure administrator, you should have Azure 900 basic, understanding. That is optional, and then you have to study manage Azure identities and governance, that is through AD. Then we are going to implement the storage. Okay. And after that, we are going to discuss about the deploy and manage Azure compute services. Means what? Basically virtual machine it is asking in different ways. So till now we have learned how to deploy virtual machine through what?
Azure
Portal.
portal, Azure portal.
Yes, through GUI. That is portal or GUI.
Yep.
Correct. Now
Yeah.
we are in this module. Okay, in this Azure 20, we are going to learn about how we are going to create the virtual machine through Azure CLI, PowerShell, all this stuff. Okay, different ways how we are going to create. Okay, and also we are going to learn more about the networking, configure and manage virtual networking, how we are going to integrate two VM with the same network. Okay, and after that we are going to discuss about the monitor and backup Azure resources. So from the first module, they are going to ask you 15 to 20%. Please note down this is very important. So module number first, they are going to ask you manage Azure identities and governance. That is purely it is asking about the AD. Okay, clear?
Yep.
Yeah.
So actually it is asking about the what? AD, Azure Active Directory. Okay, so from AD they are going to ask you 15 to 20%. Okay, that is the reason I have told you what is AD. I explained you. Now here we are going to discuss how we are going to implement AD. Okay,
Okay.
how we are going to enable MFA. That is what is full form, what is the full form of MFA?
Multi-factor
Multi-factor
authentication.
authentication.
Okay, great. Implement and manage storage. How we are going to create, how we are going to implement. Okay.
Yep.
Clear? And
Okay, clear.
Yes.
how we are going to deploy and manage Azure compute resources. Like we can create, virtual machine through PowerShell also, through GUI also, through CLI also, right? These are the different way, right?
Yeah.
Correct, guys?
Yes.
And also we can create through template. Correct? So
Yes.
these are, we will discuss how to create the virtual machine in different ways and configure and manage networking. In this particular module we are going to discuss about more about the networking part. Okay, and monitor and backup Azure resource, how we are going to take the backup. There is in AWS we have some resource, right? We have some service, right? Whether you want to take the backup or not.
Yeah.
Hope you remember. So similar way we are going to discuss here also. So now we are going to discuss about the prerequisites for Azure administrators. What are the things are required? Azure fundamental agent and Docker containers. So what is Docker? Anyone have any idea?
The container technology, containerization technology. Earlier it is in a
So
virtual machine, now it's in a container.
okay, so basically apply and monitor infrastructure stands with Azure policy, need of governance. These are what we have already discussed in Azure 900. So I'm not going to discuss. RBAC and Azure policy we have already discussed. Because the person who have not enrolled for Azure 900, I used to give these kind of basic instruction. Okay,
Okay.
clear? Now and
Okay.
also in this Azure virtual machine, that is checklist of virtual machine. Like Muhammad was asking how to create the checklist and Excel format, right? Requirement. Hope you guys have remember.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. So start with the network. First checklist of VM will be what? Start with the network. Name the VM. Decide the location for the VM. Determine the size of the VM. Understanding the pricing model. Storage for the VM. Select an operating system. Right. These are. So now I'm going to make you. First today we are going to prepare the checklist of virtual machine. Okay. So Arun, I'm going to make you as a presenter. You have to open portal as well as one Excel sheet. Give name of the sheet first, or just name it checklist of virtual machine VM. In second or third class, Muhammad was asking, right, how to prepare the checklist, guys.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, it's purely blank. Can you give some column and all?
What do you want? Description?
No. First one is serial number. First column name, serial number. Second one is you can make it not description, item. Third one is description. Fourth one is pricing, price. Or price, not pricing, price. Fifth one is, see, one more thing, checklist is always depends upon the project and organization. Okay, so right now what I'm telling you doesn't matter that the same as it is they are going to apply. They may use some different way. Okay, they are going to remove the serial number. Okay,
Okay.
clear? Can you please make it in yellow color, first border, first entire row? Okay. And wait, select from serial number and up to row number 20. Serial number to all the four. No, go. What I'm telling you. Please make a border edge. Okay. Yeah, give the border 4 all side border. Okay. Now expand it. Description, please expand. Okay. Okay. So now tell me what is the requirement for creating a virtual machine in Azure? First thing.
First thing is resource group has to be created.
Who said this? Arun?
Oh yeah.
Okay, resource group, right? First you need subscription. Okay.
Okay, but subscription will be in the place, no? Anyway, defaultly be there, no?
Whenever you are going to make the checklist you are going to show to the in front of client. If you are doing okay, then you should have the valid subscription.
Okay.
Okay, you have to mention that. So these are the silly things everyone is going to miss. No issues. Okay, subscription. Okay, and one more thing, subscription
For Azure account.
yes, for Azure cloud. Oh yeah, Azure cloud account. Can you increase the description a little bit more? Okay, and increase the little font size also. Yeah, parallelly Avilas, you should also do. Okay, I'm explaining you for virtual machine. You guys have to prepare for different other resource. Okay, now after subscription, open the portal, click on create virtual machine or click on virtual machine. So second thing will be resource group, right?
Yes.
Click on add. We will, because no one is able to remember everything, right? So after that, resource group.
Yeah.
Okay, just type in there. But whenever if we are going to make the checklist for AWS virtual machine, resource group is not needed, not compulsory, I can say. Okay, but here we require. Do not mention resource group for VM. Resource group, hello. Resource group for a specific environment.
Project or dev.
No, a specific in project we all know, right? Project we have create one more. Okay. For a specific environment, whether you are creating virtual machine for dev or QA or SIT, so just mention resource group for a specific environment in description.
Okay.
Go to enter just environment, after that enter it. Okay, after that what happened? Go to action. Go to action. Action, yeah. Okay, wait. So virtual machine name, VM name. Okay, in description enter the name of virtual machine, correct? For identification. User should also description slash suggestion you can mention or comments. Oh no, comments we will put after price. Wait. Comments we will put one more column we will put. Last at the end.
Yeah.
Okay. Now after the virtual machine name, VM name, after that what we are going to put?
Region.
Yeah, so here we are not going to use the word region. We are going to use the location. Okay, and in the comment, wait. In the comment, mention that location. In the comment, you can location, or you can just enter the region. Just put comments like enter the region.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
So this is what I'm telling you, the real time how we are preparing the document. Okay. For
Okay.
checklist of the virtual machine location, and after that we have to decide location, right?
Hmm.
And after that we have to decide the size of the VM, right?
No image. Image available.
Yeah, image or anything size, you can go here and there. Image, operating system description, select the operating system. Okay, in the bracket Linux/window. In comment, sorry, in the comment section /window. So comment is nothing but it is going to give you the little bit idea what kind of terminology Azure is using. Okay, image,
Yeah.
size and configuration. Size and configuration, make it in a single. See, this documentation, this checklist is very important. Do not write that much low level document. Okay, select the size and configuration, and in the comment you can CPU size, RAM size, all this stuff. In the comment, CPU, comma, RAM, okay, etc. Select the size. See, these documents should not be so much bulky. Okay, after that go to portal. Go down. No, there is one username and password, right? Authentication. Just mention authentication type. In the type, in the description, there are two options are there, right? Either SSH or username and all. The option given SSH, public key and password. Now in the comment, just mention if virtual machine is Linux. Okay, just mention Linux. If Linux, select SSH public key, very short form. Okay, or if window, use password. Or also if you don't want to use the if, Linux arrow mark SSH public key, or just put the arrow mark. Okay, a similar way, window, use password. Also remove the if before Linux. Okay, next, controllers. Go down. So Avilas, are you getting this thing or not?
Yes.
Yeah, so this is very much, if you will prepare 2-3 for a virtual machine, I'm telling you, Azure SQL or any resource group, any other things, if you are going to prepare the document, then you will be very handy with that. Okay, scroll down.
That's all.
Go up.
This one username.
Yeah, no, please close this left hand side. There is what, try the new virtual machine. No, close that. Okay. Go to the next tab. Give all the names and go to the next tab. Disk. There is a disk, right? Just enter the any value and go to the other tabs. Or directly you can go. No need to put. Directly you can go up, up, up. Yes. Yes. Now. No. Wait. Write down disk option. See this particular checklist. Whenever you are going to prepare, you should give your it's required very very much concentration. If anything is here and there, then price will be high.
No.
Okay, and then you can understand everything is a business, right?
You want to write this standard SST standard?
Yeah, those options you can write later. Also you can write. Let me finish this. Okay, these comments are for references. What is HDD, STD, all this stuff we will discuss in this. Okay, in the Azure Administrator.
Yeah.
Go down.
Encryption type.
Yeah, encryption. See, scroll up. There is two types of checklist we usually prepare. Scroll up, pop up. Little bit more. Yeah. So there are two types of checklist we use to prepare. First is high level and low level. Okay, in high level we are creating all the basics, disk, networking, management, all this type. We are just putting all. Like you are writing like OS disk type, standard HSD and all. That is, if you are going to mention all this stuff, that is low level checklist. Getting? So there are two types of checklist. Wow, how many types of checklist? High level and low level. Okay, please open one notepad and you can write this question. Notepad. Gate 4104. EZ104. Types of resource checklist. High level and low level. So basically in high level, we are going to put the high level requirement, that is disk type. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? So so how to prepare the checklist, everyone understand or not? Do you have any issues if you are not able to understand and all?
No, high level means what? Just this general config is enough for this one?
No. Up to authentication. After that, in place of disk option, you have to mention disk type.
Okay.
Remove that. Good question. Okay, and go to portal.azure.com. See, into disk, there are what? Disk options are what? So disk type is disk option and data disk, right? OS disk type, encryption type, go up. All this stuff you can mention in the comment.
Okay.
All the details. Okay. So in the same fashion, you can you can prepare for all the networking, all this stuff. Fine.
Okay.
Shall we move further, or we have to prepare one by one? Because there are so many stuffs are there. You can prepare in home also. If you will face, then I will give you the one checklist. Understood
Do
or
you
not?
have any checklist? Anything you have? Any template kind of
Here,
thing
right
to?
now itself I'm preparing. So now, so you have mentioned, see, right now yeah, I have, but I can't say it's organization. Okay.
Oh,
You,
okay,
you
okay,
know that. Okay, so the same I'm replicating here. Okay, guys,
okay.
don't worry. So in subscription, price is what? In a comment, you have to mention what?
Pay
Free
as
/ pay as you go. So okay, so free for training purpose, we are going to use free, correct? For commercial use, we have to use pay as you
Yes,
go.
you go.
Oh, okay. Okay, so right now, if you so for client, we have to mention price, pay as you go. In price section, put down subscription, pay as you go. Subscription type is pay as you go. Now resource group, it is not free, right?
Yeah,
Resource group is not a free, right? So you
yeah.
have to check what is the per hour or per month price. Basically, we have to write the per hour. Whenever we are going to create, it will show, right, 6 or $0.12 like per hour, right? Virtual
Yes.
machine and all,
Yes.
anything. So those stuff you can mention here.
Okay,
Okay, one by one you have to check and you can calculate.
okay.
Okay, if you don't want to put this price, okay, right, just put NA, and after creating the VM for this configuration, check what is the price for that, and in the this is the what blank page, right, white section. After the comment, there you can put this type of configuration is required, or this particular virtual machine required $1 per hour or $0.50 per hour, like that, or $0.18 per hour, or Avilas, you can mention INR 6 rupees per hour or 8 rupees per hour or 10 rupees per hour, what it may be. No need to
Okay.
put the pricing, anything here.
Okay. Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so my suggestion to you, put the per hour entire configuration value, entire virtual machine. So in the likewise you can prepare, right, Avilash and Arun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So one question, Rohit here.
Yeah,
So
please.
what is the purpose of this checklist?
So this purpose of the checklist, it is going to, for whenever you are going to create the infrastructure in a cloud, you need each and every information.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, what type of configuration they need. Suppose
Okay.
client have asked you to create, they are, they have asked you, we need one virtual machine. That's all.
Okay.
So you should know
Okay.
whether they are asking Linux virtual machine or Windows virtual machine. On which network,
Okay.
if suppose right now you have mentioned disk type, but maybe client
Yep.
client is going to say that, okay, don't create any disk, I have already one disk is available in my infrastructure in cloud, you can use that disk, right?
Okay. Okay.
This may happen or
So
not,
this.
Arun?
Yeah, yeah.
So you have to use that disk. Maybe the client is, you are right now you are going to create for freshly, whenever you are going to create virtual machine, you are going to
But
create the virtual
here, how
network.
we will map it, Rohit? How we'll bring it that see once it comes to the network only, you can bring. How we'll map it? Because there is no option here. Bring external thing, kind of thing, disk.
So disk, that is one of the example, like in network VNet. Okay, like they will ask you only, you have to use a standard only, a standard SSD. Okay, like virtual network, either you can use virtual network, either you can use existing, or either you can create new one. If they have already given you one network, then you have to use that network only, right? because they don't want to use another network for security purpose.
Yes.
Okay, so those stuff. So this is basically the requirement document. Okay, Avilas, do not get confused.
Yeah. So this document
Okay,
we need to send to the client or the requester, right?
and
So
get
they
the
have to fill it,
approval. Yeah, no, they will not fill. Client will not fill. You have to discuss, and then you have to fill, and then you have to send. They are clients. Okay, they don't have
Oh,
time to fill,
okay.
and they are not so much technically sound. Correct, Arun?
Okay.
Yeah, because the
Yeah.
initial see Abhilash, what they will know, some development normal configuration will go for it. Only for testing environment they go for SSD kind of thing. So in the
Yes.
production, if you take it, it'll go for a premium SSD because that is more faster is required. So based
And
on
also the
that,
price is
prices is
also high for
higher. So they'll go for that one. So
we'll discuss
based on
those SSD and all this stuff. We will discuss one by one and Azure Administrator.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't worry, Avilas. This is only the you can say that this is the requirement document for the Azure cloud infrastructure. Okay,
Okay.
checklist.
Okay.
First, you need to discuss with the client. Okay, they told you I need virtual machines. Okay,
Okay.
Linux or Windows. Then you have to propose some kind of a, okay, if you are going to use this configuration, okay, first you need to understand, okay, what type of application they want to run on the on what maybe on their virtual machine, what you are.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if they are going to run, suppose any Oracle application, let me give you the
Yeah.
simple example. So it may requires more RAM, right? Like
Yes.
instead of 4 GB RAM, it requires 8 GB RAM. Correct, Arun?
yeah.
So you need to propose, you just create this kind of checklist and send it, and this is the price for that. With this configuration, you can run any what may be application, like existing application you want to run, you can run like 8 GB RAM.
Main thing is
That
you have to find out the users, end users, how many persons will be using.
yes, how many
So you
persons
say,
are using, and what is the specific load on your server.
yeah, yeah,
That is the most important point. According to that, you are going to create the checklist. Then you are going to
Okay.
send to the client. Then client will give you the approval. Then you
Okay.
will then you are going to create. Directly you are not going to create and send, okay, you can use. No. Getting
Okay.
my point?
Okay. Got it.
So who
Yeah.
is going to do? Who is going to do this?
Administrator or
Not
us.
administrator, technical
architect,
architect.
architect
No,
will do it. All
architect. Okay.
architect will do it.
Okay.
The
Okay.
administrator is going to create the, okay, you have to send this document to administrator. He is going to, according to this document, he is going to create the virtual machine. That's all.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
but these all discussion, technical architect or Azure architect is going to create this document. Okay,
Okay.
although this is what AZ 303 and 304 basically, if we are going to discuss more, and then we will reach to AZ AZ 303 syllabus. Okay, so
Okay.
fine. So mainly in this way you can create, right, Arun?
Yeah.
Okay, describe each and every, just try to first create the low level document. Okay, Arun.
Hmm.
Okay, try to create the low level document, then I will tell you how to convert this into the high level document. Getting my point?
Okay. Okay.
Because low level you can easily just go and type, right?
Hmm.
Correct. High level
Yeah.
Yes.
document, you need to think, okay, what are the things I need to showcase in front of the client. Correct, because
Yeah.
Yep.
client doesn't
Yep.
have so much time to, he is going to buy one by one. No, those stuff you are going to create. Okay, just create the low level document and then show me, then I will tell you high level document. Okay,
Okay.
so Arun, so tomorrow I need those at least maybe if you are not able to create this document, fine, but that your assignment for
Yeah.
that, please send me tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, now open one lab document for AZ104? One notepad.
Yeah, already this is 7 actually.
No, this is not a lab. This is interview questions for
No,
AZ104.
okay.
Like we have created one for AZ900, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So in the same fashion. Labs, AZ10 labs. Okay. Now, so first lab is what? Create the virtual machine. Okay. Now, inside the virtual machine, put A, enter after A, number A. Create the virtual machine with
Again?
create the virtual machine using Azure portal. Next, B, create the Azure machine using Azure CLI.
Create the virtual machine. Huh?
Yeah. These are the different ways how we are going to create. Okay.
Okay.
Next is create the virtual machine using PowerShell. Avilas,
Yes.
are you getting?
I'm
Or do
doing.
you have any
I'm doing.
confusion?
No.
Okay, great. Okay. And create the virtual machine with template. Although this is not in your syllabus, but let it be. We will discuss. Okay.
Okay.
And create the VM. First one. No, go to first line. First line. Create the VM. In the bracket, mention window. Copy paste the same thing and put the lab number 2. You have not mentioned lab 1, lab 2. So in the same fashion, you have to write the way you have written in lab 01. Okay. Lab 2. Here instead of window, put Linux or Ubuntu. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, see, we are creating the virtual machine, but just now we had a brief discussion about that whenever we are going to create the virtual machine, we require first resource group, right?
Yeah.
So first we need to create resource group through all these options, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So lab number 3rd, just copy the same lab number 2, entire copy and paste it. So see, guys, these labs are little bit bulky. EG labs you have already done, right?
Yes.
Okay, so do not think inside the one lab you are going to create so many things. Remove the Linux. Remove the Linux. Remove the VM and put RG. Yes, everywhere RG. Correct, Arun?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, again copy lab 3. Paste it. Lab 4. Okay. So you can see that we have just now we had a discussion that whenever we are going to create any instance like virtual machine, we require what? Virtual network also,
Yeah.
correct? So just
Yes.
mention VNet or Azure Virtual Network. In the bracket, mention Azure Virtual Network. Template is, you can remove the template from all this stuff. Template is not required for this resource group and all. We will discuss this is in different certification program. That is 303 and 304. Yeah, in virtual machine, let it be. I will explain you one window or Linux, anyone. Okay. VNet, just mention VNet. Okay. Now, tell me what other things we required.
For you need to download a
Virtual.
CLI, Azure CLI from the Azure portal. Okay.
No.
And PowerShell by default Windows 10 will having.
Yes. Just a second. Sorry. Yeah, I was asking what are the next things we require to create the virtual machine?
Oh, okay.
Additional.
Disk space, disk, that the things that is required.
Yes. So just create the disk, separate disk. Create the disk, that's all. For VM, whether we have to use in VM or not, no, that is our choice, right?
Yeah, okay.
So are you able to create the disk? Go to portal, search for disk. Not here, man. Go where we are searching.
Home. Go to home.
Yes.
This-
This came, right? This is the, I am telling you repeatedly, this is the way. Okay, do not go here and there. Okay.
Okay.
Now click on add. Resource group name, you can select anyone or create RG test 01. And are you deleting your instances or not?
Yeah. I whenever
Yeah.
completely
Otherwise you will, because I have seen that they are charging you in dollar.
yeah. No, I'm deleting immediately. I won't keep it.
Demo disk, just put 01. STUS. So how many, see, also availability zone. So how many availability zone you required? 1, 2, 3. This is also okay. One of the factor for cost factor. Okay.
Okay.
None, let it be none. Why you are selecting unnecessary will charge? You know how to do. Do not charge your account. Scroll down.
Yeah. That's all. Next encryption.
Because
So
after
it's
availability zone, I am not able to see. Availability zone you have selected none. After that, there
Yeah.
must be
Source type.
source type. Okay, let it be
Snapshot or
any.
storage BL.
If
None
you
only.
require, then you can select. If you are okay. Otherwise, better. Yes, great. Now I'm able to see. Okay, so you don't require source type because unnecessary it will charge you. You can create. Click on create disk.
Review and create.
Yeah. Demo disk 01. Validation pass.
Yeah.
Okay, and now you can create.
But
Fine.
it's premium SSD is coming.
What you have selected?
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Okay, change size. 1 minute. I have to change the size.
Delete it and delete it.
Okay, 1 GB is enough, I think. 4 GB is enough, no?
Yeah, 4 GB is more than enough. Here is my intention is you should know how to create these 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32. This is depends on the requirement. Okay.
Yeah,
So
4 GB is enough.
delete it. That's all.
No,
How
wait,
to
wait.
create?
Okay, I have to change the type actually. Standard HT. Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Next.
you are changing the size existing. Okay. Got it.
Because this is it was a premium. Premium is a highly thing, no?
Yeah. Maybe cost will be very high.
So that's why I changed it. Because standard will be very cheaper.
Yes. Okay. Meanwhile, it will create. Okay, it will take time. Deployment is in progress. Go to your lab document. Okay. Create the disk. Okay. Now lab number 6.
Create disk using the from the Azure portal only, no?
Yeah, Azure portal or Azure CLI also, Azure, and everything just copy paste. Now above you have written now.
Okay.
I will tell you one. You guys have to do for other. Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing, like whenever you are going to use the Azure PowerShell and Azure CLI, take the screenshot what are the commands and you have used, just put into your lab document. Okay.
Okay.
Arun, you got it right?
Yeah, got it.
Yep.
Like, see, where is PowerShell? Go to after the search, there is a PowerShell account, right? Portal. After the search box. From here also, and there is after the search box. Yes, click that. Can you scroll down?
You able to see?
No, yeah. Yes, now I'm or a little bit scroll up, little bit more. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So okay, subscription, close it. Close.
Can I delete this
Okay.
disk? That's all, no?
Yeah, that's all. Please delete. Also delete the resource group also.
Yeah. Once it's done.
Better always try to delete the resource group itself. So whatever be instance, any network, whatever be things, it will be deleted automatically. If you will delete resource group, inside the resource group, whatever maybe the instances and resources are there, it will delete automatically.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Lab number 6. Create the virtual Linux virtual machine. And install the Docker inside this.
Same portal CLI PowerShell.
No. Docker installation, not PowerShell. It's totally different. We have to create one virtual machine, then we have
Okay.
to access it, and after accessing inside that, we are going to go install the Docker. Okay. Clear? Now, let me share my screen. Let us discuss, then we'll do the labs. So checklist is done, right? How to prepare the checklist? Guys,
Yeah.
Yes.
any confusion on that?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Now, introduction to Docker containers. So Docker is what? Container, right?
Yes.
What is container?
Container is the it's application or any will be running on the container.
Container, especially basically it is the environment. It is going to give you the separate environment to run your application. Okay.
Okay.
Like Docker is also container, Kubernetes is also container. Okay, everything.
Yeah.
So container is a loosely isolated environment and that allow us to build and run software packages. These software packages include the code and all the dependencies to run applications quickly and reliably on any computing environment. We call these packages container image, right? The container image becomes the unit we use to distribute our applications. Okay. So software, what is software containerization? We all know, right? So basically software containerization is an OS virtualization method that is used to deploy and run container without using a virtual machine. Like we want to deploy something through Docker. There are so many tools, like, I'm just going to give you the example 1000i. So if you want to install 1000i, you first install Docker only. Okay, then only you are able to install. There are so many tools are there, right, Arun?
Yeah.
Can install through Docker only. Containers can run on a physical hardware in the cloud, VMs, and across multiple OSs. But my suggestion to you, always use Docker with Linux. You can use for Windows also, but mainly we are using Docker with Linux. Correct, Arun?
Yes.
Yeah, that's a stable one actually.
Yes, because Windows we never know what kind of trouble we will face. So what is Docker? Docker is a containerization platform used to develop, ship, and run containers. Docker doesn't use a hypervisor, and you can run Docker on your desktop or laptop if you are developing and testing applications. The desktop version of Docker supports Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. For production system, Docker is available for server environment, including many variants of Linux and Microsoft Windows Server 2016 and above. See one more thing. Whenever we want to install, Docker, we always using, in especially in cloud, we are using what? Ubuntu. Why? Because Ubuntu is what? Free operating system.
Yes.
Ubuntu is what?
Free open system.
That is the reason. If you are going to use any Microsoft I know operating system, they are going to charge us. Many clouds, including Azure, supports Docker. Exactly, Azure supports Docker. Okay. Docker platform consists of several components that we use to build, run, and manage our containerization applications. So the Docker engine consists of several components configured as a client-server implementation where the client and server run simultaneously on the same host. So basically the use of, someone is going to ask you in the interview, what is the use of Docker? What will your answer, Avilash or Arun? Anyone?
The platform so to build, run, and manage our compliance application.
Arun,
Sorry, what are you saying?
what is the use of Docker? Why we are using Docker?
See, Docker for main purpose you're using going for the microservices architecture. Like if any, like example, instead of monolithic, currently we are in monolithic architecture applications we are using. So instead of, if you want to change that microservice application, and downtime is will be very easier. Only that module will be upgraded. Any changes we can implement to the production or whatever is very easy. So that is the main concern we are going for
Easy
the
also.
doctor.
Yeah, and one more thing, most important thing is what? You just now you said, right? It is not going to affect the downtime of other module,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
The reason behind that, the Docker is going to give you the complete isolated and separate environment for the
Yes,
deployment of the microservices or anything, any applications and all. Okay,
yeah,
that is the reason the Docker is going to give the minimum downtime. If you are going to deploy anything through Docker, it is going to give you the minimum downtime. That's the reason on Docker nowadays, or you can say the containerization is most popular nowadays. Slowly it is going to become the most popular way to deploy anything. Correct?
Yeah.
Because mainly the business downtime is very less. Okay,
Yes.
Avilas.
Yes, yes.
Okay. The client communication with the server using REST API, which allow the client to also communicate with remote service instance. See, this is what Docker host. So Docker Hub, basically always, please, my request to all of you, do not use Windows and the other. Always use Ubuntu Linux. Okay,
Yeah.
because we never still Windows is not stable for for Docker, and also that it will take, if you are going to deploy through window and Docker and all, it will take so much time, and we don't, there are so many unnecessary error is coming. So better we have to use Ubuntu Linux. Okay, this is the container. What is container? I told you, right?
Container, it's like each microservices, one application module will be then the container.
Isolated
Simple,
environment.
Sorry?
Container is an isolated environment.
Yeah, it's like each module will be deployed in the container. Like microservice application will be deployed in the container.
Yes, correct. So
If it is 3 or 4 containers, so it's a group of containers, it's called pod. It didn't come in Kubernetes.
yeah,
Correct, no?
don't go, don't go Kubernetes and all. We will I will otherwise I will ask is this 10104. Okay, so basically Docker is a container, and container is a isolated environment. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so these are the Docker, Docker server, then it is interrelated with REST API, and then Docker client. Any operating system you can use to install the Docker. Docker client, Docker server. So what is Docker client? The Docker client is a command line application named Docker that provides us with a command line and interface CLI to interact with a Docker server. Okay, so how to install Docker? First, you need to create the virtual machine with operating system Ubuntu, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Arun, start doing this. Just going to make you as a presenter. The real time, if you will see, then you are able to relate those stuff. First, you need to create what?
Virtual machine.
Virtual machine. So how to create virtual machine? I'm not going to say you. And how to access Linux machine?
Yeah, yeah.
Which virtual machine?
Ubuntu.
Yes, good. Operating system Ubuntu. You should access. How to access? You know, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
First, create the hello.
No, yeah.
Yeah. Let it be go for default one, no issues. Let it be hello. Go
Yeah,
with the
yeah.
default one. Try to create and access. Till that, I'm not going to tell you anything. So which operating system you are using? 18.04 Ubuntu or 16? What you have
18.
selected? 18, right?
Yeah, no, 18 LTS.
18.04.
Yes.
Okay. Deployment is in progress, so your virtual machine will be ready within couple of minutes.
This virtual machine created in cloud, it will be in a Docker or how?
Not in Docker, it is cloud. Inside the virtual machine, we are going to install the Docker.
No, I'm just asking this general thing for the Azure cloud.
Sorry, what is your question?
See, this VM virtual machine I'm creating now, whether it will be in a Docker thing,
No,
technology or
it is not. No, it is in their cloud,
okay.
not in Docker. Every account they have mapped in a very different way. Okay. Wait, deployment is in progress. Okay. It will take time, 2-3 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes also. It is Ubuntu operating system. And also meanwhile deployment is in progress. Open the one WordPad.
It's completed.
Completed.
Oh, completed. Okay, try to access it. Username and password you know, right?
Yeah. Sir. Yeah, it's logged in.
Can you maximize, because I'm not able to? Yes. After that, so for install, yeah, increase.
Increasing change settings. Somewhere will come.
Let it be. Now I'm able to see. Just increase the font size. That's all.
Read.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So see, right now you are able to just increase the font size only. Azure.
Change settings.
Maximize. There is one.
No. Actually, in the settings we have to do change settings. Terminal. Code. SSH.
No. Those are the different stuff.
Appearance. Go to appearance. Check that.
API.
Change.
Yeah.
Now okay.
Yes. Yeah. Fine. Now I scroll down.
Yeah, this is last only.
Okay. Down only.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now I'm able to see. So go in the same way. Yeah. Let it be.
Clear. You just type clear. Clear it.
CL. Yeah.
CLER.
CLR type. Yeah. So now you are able to log in into your virtual machine. Okay. Now I'm just pasting one command sudo apt update. Please run this command. Just copy paste. Okay, so it is updating your package. Okay, so whenever you are going to create the lab, you have to take all the these screenshot. Okay, and also the which command you are running. Okay, Arun, you need to highlight. You need to highlight in the screenshot.
Okay.
So it's done, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So after sudo, so it means your package is what?
Update.
Update, right? Now we have to
apt
install sudo. Yes, apt.
apt docker.
No, do not.
No.
There are some few. Don't do.
APT
I'm
-get.
just pasting. What you're trying to do?
We have to install the Docker, no?
Yeah. So what he is asking some.
No.
He's telling something.
Just,
Docker CE only actually.
Let me paste you the command.
Okay.
Okay, then it will be easy. Then run this command. Just now I pasted one command.
Yeah.
Copy and run. Remove that sudo apt and all this stuff. What you have written.
wait. Yes. Why?
After running that command, it's done, right?
Installing.
It will take time.
No, it's done.
Done.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It'll take. But
Done.
Yeah.
You,
No,
Abhilas.
no, I'm watching this.
Okay, you are not doing it. Okay, I thought you are also doing parallelly. Okay, no issues. Now we have to download the Docker.
Yeah.
So just I pasted one command. First do the CLR, just clear the screen. Otherwise, because I'm not able to see in the down what you are doing.
Yeah. Okay.
CLR, just clear the screen. That's all.
CLER. Yeah.
Now, just now I pasted one
Yeah, done
command.
actually. I did it actually.
Okay, you did it. Great. I'm just
The
pasting one more command.
command you can take. You type just history. I don't.
Yeah.
Just type history, so you will get all the
Yeah,
commands.
so just now I've already sent, I have pasted one more command. Just run that command. Wait.
It is running it.
Reading package listed, done.
Just type history. I don't. Yeah. You will get all the commands.
Next.
Whatever thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, once again update. Update. Wait. Okay, done. Run one more command. Just now I pasted. apt catch policy docker c. And history of the command, just copy. Okay. Scroll down.
Yeah, it is done actually.
Done. Docker is installed.
HTTP packages 500.
Yes.
Done.
Yeah, 18.5 Ubuntu 500 HTTP download.
Okay.
You can check no
Correct?
Docker version.
No, Docker we have not installed. Wait. Now I'm going to give you the one command. Now sudo apt install docker c. Copy paste that command. Better. Y. Enter. Wait. installed, or it will take time, few seconds. Now Docker is installing in your Ubuntu machine. Okay. Now just check.
20.1.
Yeah, 20 point. Now whether check whether Docker is running or not. Just now I pasted one command.
Yeah, it is running actually.
Running. So go to your lab document. In a scroll down. Scroll down, because after, yes. Now in the same yeah, 7, lab number 07. Okay. Verify whether
For the Docker version and whether Docker engine is
Yeah.
up and running or not.
Yeah, up and running and version both. Now tell me guys, how to uninstall Docker from the Ubuntu.
apt remove Docker C -C.
Try it and then check the version.
1 minute. You got the Abhilash, you got the commands, no?
Yeah, got it.
In the
First,
chat box. 1 minute. Sudo apt remove.
in the first, write down in the lab document, uninstall the Ubuntu, uninstall the Docker from the Ubuntu virtual machine, or Linux virtual machine, like that. It is start installing, uninstalling.
Yeah, it's done actually.
Now once
not
again
running.
check the version.
It's still there.
Correct? It is not available, right?
It's
No,
available.
it is there.
It's not allowed. What was the comment you tried?
Sudo apt remove Docker -C. This one. This is a command.
Yeah.
Because status I can see 1 minute. Docker
Just
is
check
not
this.
running. Inactive dead is coming.
Oh, that's all fine. Okay. Hello.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah.
Yeah, fine. If it is not running, it's fine, because
But command is coming.
The Docker is still there in the machine, but the service
Docker
is not
is
account.
still is there, but service is not there. It is not running.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
So fine. So this is what today we are going to close here only. Okay. It's a 9. Yeah. So tomorrow, one more thing. Open the WordPad document. Word document. New Word document for AZ 104 labs. You can use different also. What may be your labs? Yes. Type AZ 104 labs. Okay, everything you can check and content and all, everything you can put. Okay.
Okay.
And
Hey,
so
1 minute.
today,
Sorry.
yeah,
Arun,
yeah,
can you
Vilas.
show me how you install that, insert that contents?
In the home, insert cover page.
Okay.
Cover page only. That's all.
Okay. Okay.
Vilas, have you sent me that document?
It's done. I sent already.
Okay, I haven't checked. Okay, after this.
Yeah.
Okay. And please, my request to both of you, please go through at least Saturday, Sunday, all the labs documents and all the, just only go through. I'm not telling you to do practice once again. Just go through all the questions.
Yeah, sure.
AZ 104. Don't think that this is what I'm like school wise, I'm, pressurizing you
No,
to
no.
do assignments and all. This is for you only. Okay, so today what are the labs we have completed? We have created the virtual machine, Linux virtual machine, and we have installed the Docker, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct. Also we have checked the version, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Now, so all of these, all whatever lab today I have told you, create the virtual using portal and all this stuff you can create it, right?
This one, Azure portal, okay. CLI, I'll try to do it. Maybe.
No, that I will explain you, Azure CLI and PowerShell, that but for all the portal related stuff you
Yes.
you
Yes.
guys can
Yes.
create, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Portal.
Because it is already done,
Yeah.
correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
I can understand Azure CLI, PowerShell and all template, but I haven't explained you. That I will explain you. But all the first try to complete so that you will feel that okay, I have completed. But main priority is what? Age at 900 interview questions, Arun.
Okay.
You have to
Okay.
send me. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Shall we wind up right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Avilas, how to install Docker and all? Have you taken all the steps?
Yes. 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 Yes.
All the steps and all step wise, please write down all
Yes.
the,
Yes.
And also
Yeah.
you, Arun, the way you are creating the document installation of Docker and all, you have to create in the same fashion because I'm very much
Okay.
impressed with your document. And
Okay.
unless your document is also very good.
Okay. Sure. Sure.
Okay. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thanks, Arun. Thank you. Thanks,
Thank you.
Arun.
Thanks. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Please enroll our general membership for $3.99 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $3.99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.